Right. Hi friends. Uh, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Oracle VirtualBox. Okay. So for that, what we can do is just type Oracle VirtualBox for Windows in the Google. Go to Google, just type Oracle VirtualBox for Windows, and you can see www.virtualbox.org. The first link itself you will get from the Oracle VirtualBox website. Okay. Just go to the downloads, and there you can see this is the latest version 6.1.26. and if you want to download it for Windows hosts, click on this Windows hosts. Okay, if this is for OS X hosts and this is for Linux hosts and Solaris hosts, lot of operating systems are there. Okay, we are going to download for Windows hosts. Just click on this Windows host. Once you click on this one, automatically it will start downloading. Okay, you can see, right, it will start downloading. Right, once it was downloaded, then you can open the setup file. You can start installing the Oracle VirtualBox. So what I'm going to do is, I have already installed Oracle VirtualBox in my local machine. So I'll install this in a server. Okay, so if you don't have Oracle VirtualBox in your local laptop, you can directly install in your local laptop. Okay, so I'm just copying to my server and there I'm going to installing. Again, usually this is going to be installed in the laptop. So once you downloaded it, just save it in a separate folder. Okay, then you can start installing in the laptop. Right, so once it was copying, okay, so this is the file, setup file for Oracle VirtualBox latest version. Right click on it, always try to open setup files or .exe files with run as admin mode to avoid errors and all. Okay, sometimes if you directly double click on it, you may get some different kind of errors and all. The simple solution is you have to open the application with run as admin mode. Okay, so now you can see once you open setup file, you can see like this, nothing. You can directly go for next, install, next, 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 yes, click on yes, click on install. Okay, sometimes you will get a pop-up, network related pop-up and all, you will get it. Okay, do you want to install or not? Click on install button, then you can proceed, finish. You can click on finish. Right, you can see like this. Sometimes you will get okay, this one, would you like to install this device software, Oracle Corporation Universal Serial Bus? Okay, just click on install. Right, okay, so you can see it was successfully installed. Click on finish button. Once it was installed successfully, you can see on desktop it will create a shortcut button you can use, like it will open automatically. Okay, if not, what you can do is, this is the shortcut, right click on it, run as administrator again. Okay, so you can see a windows like this. It's an interface, Oracle VirtualBox Manager. Through this interface you can create virtual machines. Okay, right, thank you guys.